Good morning. The task right now is to try to get done in 10 minutes, 10 through 18. So problem 10 is 7 minus y is equal to -1. So the first step in this problem is to combine the -y and the -y. So 7 minus 2y is what you should get, is -1. Now there's two steps. We're going to subtract 7 and then divide by -2. So we're going to subtract this 7. See, one thing that's hard about this is this 7 is positive. Even though this negative sign is there, that negative sign is attached to the 2y. So we're going to subtract that 7. And then we get -2y here and -8 here. And then divide by -2. So y is equal to -4. (11) is 72 plus 4 minus 14d equals 36. So I'm going to combine these two to get 76 minus 14d equals 36. So this now is two steps. We're going to subtract 76 and then we're going to divide by -14. So we subtract 76 and we get -14 times d is equal to -40. Okay, we divide by -14. Somehow I made a mistake here. 72 plus 4 minus 14d equals 36. 11. Oh, nope. And so d is equal to 2 and 6 over 7. So 40 divided by -14. I didn't make a mistake. All right, number 12 is 13 equals 3b. So 13 equals 3 times b. Oh, no, 5 plus 3b. So 5 plus 3b minus 13. This one requires you to combine these two first, so you get 13 is equal to -8 plus 3b. Now it's two steps, and those are add 8 and then divide by 3. All right, so we're going to add 8 and we get 21 here, and this is equal to 3 times b. Divide by 3. b is equal to 27, not 27, 7. 21 divided by 3 is 7. Number 13 is 6p minus 2 minus 3p equals 16. This problem here requires us to combine this term and this term. So this becomes 3p minus 2 equals 16. We add the 2, and we get 3p is equal to 18. All right? And then I'll write that down here. 3p is equal to 18. Divide by 3, and I get p is equal to 6. Number 14, you can stop this video, okay? Stop and do the problem, stop the video. It's fine. You know, that's what you got to do. 14 is x plus 2 plus x equals 22. In this problem, we have to combine this term and this term. And we get 2x plus 2 equals 22. We divide by 2. And whoops, I forgot that. I forgot that too. So 2x plus 2 equals 22. Now subtract the 2. And you get 2x on the left, 20 on the right. Divide by 2. X equals 10. All right, number 15. The answer is 5 and 4 over 7. It's another fraction. Number 16. The answer is 4. Number 17. The answer, let's do 17 together. It's 17 equals P minus 3 minus 3P. Now, this term and this term are like each other, and they get combined to give us negative 2P. This term still gets brought down, minus 3. And then on the left-hand side is 17. And I've got two steps. I'm going to add the 3 and divide by negative 2. So add 3. I get 20 on the left, negative 2P on the right. Divide by negative 2. So negative 10 is what you get when you divide these two, and P is the variable. That was 17. The answer for 18, or I think that's it, just 18. We'll do one more, and this is it. 18 is negative 23 equals negative 2A plus 10 minus A, or no, plus A. So these get combined, and I get negative 1A plus 10. The negative 1A came from the negative 2A and the 1A to give me that negative 1A. All right, finishing up, we're going to do the two steps. We're going to subtract the 10. And we get negative 33 over here. And then we're going to divide by negative 1. And we get 32 equals A. 32 equals A. Have a nice day. That was assignment 20, or that was assignment 22, was it? Yep, 10 through 18. I skipped a couple, but you can show your work on those. 15 and 16 I skipped, but I gave you the answers. Have a good day.